Traditional security architecture is undergoing a transformation. The idea of a traditional perimeter is quickly disappearing. Security needs to be close to the edges of what we consider to be our traditional model, thanks to all of the services that are moving into the cloud and the users that are effectively moving away from our traditional enterprise networks. Solutions need to address where the users and the data live, not where we hope that they end up. Enforcement points continue to be a challenge that need to be planned out in advance and not just spread everywhere. And if you looked at the presentations that we got from HPE and from Nile, they understand this too. HPE is what I would consider to be more of a traditional networking security architecture. They are using things like SRX firewalls, and they're using SD-WAN to help connect users that live on the fringes of your network, possibly even working from home, and giving them the same kind of experience that they would get in the enterprise, while also keeping them safe. And if there's anything we've learned over the last few years when it comes to remote work, not all traffic is the same. My traffic for work-related items needs to take a priority over my child's Xbox doing an update for the big game that they bought last week. Not only do we need to make sure that that traffic is being scanned correctly and all of the policies that my corporate security use are put in place, but it needs to ensure that the rest of the traffic on my network is able to flow unimpeded without impacting my productivity. When you get to something like Nile, they're using network as a service as a model where they come in and they make sure that everything is configured properly for what they're doing. That can even cause your network security and operations teams to have to take a different look at the way they're doing their security. More policies being put in place and more strictly defined so that when they're implemented, it makes a huge difference to people as they're trying to figure out how best to keep our users safe. And we actually had a great conversation with one of Nile's customers, Jet Zero, about how it's enabling them to have good connectivity, but also keep their research and their product information secure from people that might want to take it.